You've purchased a 2-slice toaster from Bella, but did you know there's some things you should do before you actually use it? First, without any toast in it, follow these steps. 1. Ensure the toaster is connected to the main power supply. All right, we've got it plugged in into an outlet here. 2. Place 1 or 2 slices of bread into the toasting slots. Press the loading lever down until it latches. Toaster will heat up automatically and start toasting. When it's finished, this lever will go up automatically. We'll do this about 2 or 3 times, and then we'll head upstairs and show you how to make a toasted bagel. The reason we're doing this is it gets rid of any residual oils and stuff like that that may be in the toaster. You really don't want that on your toast when you first start cooking. Oh, there it goes. What do you know? Our toast is ready. Let's do that again. We'll let it cool down a little bit this time. Third time's a charm. Oh, what did we set it for? Bagel. Ooh, bagel. You also have settings for gluten-free and frozen. And of course the dial here going from 1 to 6. We're ready for the real thing now. So that's how you set this up before you actually start toasting in it. If you're interested in the product, look for a link in the description.